Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What you're doing today, I'm really excited what you're doing today. Actually, I want to show you what I've done so far, the things that I've done so far, and I'm really excited. So let's get started. This is a kind of t-shirt, a kids t-shirt, like 5-year-old and 4-year-olds. We have adults as well. What I've done with this t-shirt is I have cut this colorful print and then in different shapes, and I'll put them there to make different shapes. As you can see, that is very colorful. With that one, you could see that one as well. That looks like a butterfly. Really nice. And that's an adult's one. The kind of print that has been sewn onto the t-shirt, so it's really colorful. These will be going on to my my online shop very soon. And also I've done these cute skirts. It's just elastic skirts, summer skirts for kids as well. You see that is very pretty. You have them in different colors and different prints. Very pretty. And also we can have them different ages as well. So that is a very colorful one, as you can see. Okay, this is about for an 8-year-old. Very colorful. Can wear it in summer. And also I made these skirts for my daughter. This skirt is very pretty, very pleated skirt at the top, and looks very pretty, as you can see. If you want me to do a tutorial on any of these products that I'm showing you, you can just comment below, and then I will try and do a tutorial on these as well. Okay, moving on. I've got some hairbands that I'm going to show you guys. They are very pretty hairbands, so if you have a child, a girl, you can buy these hairbands. They're all going onto my shop. These colorful hairbands, they're very nice. As you can see, made of different prints and very colorful prints. And also I made these small ones. Okay, you can put them using the headband as well, or you can have a clip if you prefer a clip. So that's a clip for that, and they are in different colors as well, so you can purchase them if you want to do my shop, which is coming on very soon. The next bit is, this is a very short video. The next bit is my bags. I'm really excited in making these bags. I'm quite into bags. I like making bags. This is a bag made up, it's a patch bag. I did this patchwork. Okay, and then as you can see, it's very lovely. It's got that's the inside bit of the bag. You have a pocket inside, and then you have a flap as well, just a square flap whereby you can close the bag like that with the claps. And that is a very nice and very handy bag. Very nice. If you want me to do a tutorial on this, just let me know and I will do that as well. We have different type of bags. We have another colorful bag. Okay, this one is a very colorful bag that you can buy with this sachet there, just to help with make it more colorful. So that is the inside. We have a packet in there as well. You can just stick it around even as you go about to town. You can put your phone here as well, so it's very handy. And the next bag is another tote bag. My bags are all colorful. I made with all colorful prints. This is just a tote bag that you can put your stuff in. If you're a student, you can just put your books in, and there are spaces in between. You can have space. You can put your phone there, and you can put in your keys. Okay, it's a very handy bag that you can just use to walk on about. If you're going for a walk, you can just use that as well. And also you have a very big bag. This one is quite big. Also, you can put a lot of stuff into it. I like big bags because I can just stuff a lot of things into it. You have a zip inside. You have a inner zip that you can open, a very big pouch actually, so you can just put your phone and other stuff into it. Very colorful bag. It's a patchwork as well, and the handle is made up of leather. So that is a very pretty bag that you can purchase in my shop if you prefer, or if you want me to do a tutorial on this, I'll love to do that as well. And that bag as well, I've already done a tutorial on this, so you can check on my channel, and if you want to do it, you can have a look at it. So that's mostly the things I've done so far. So if you want me to do a tutorial, please comment below and let me, and I'll do that as well. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Make sure you put on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.